Good day everyone. So now I will explain how to determine whether these functions, which is hx equal to square root x plus 2, is one-to-one functions or not. There are two methods that we can use to determine whether these functions is one-to-one functions or not. First method is algebraic method. So we let hx1 equal to hx2 into the equations. Then we square both sides to remove the square root. Like this, we can get the equations. After that, 2 on left hand side and 2 on right hand side can simplify. And we can get x1 equal to x2. From these equations, we can conclude that this function is one-to-one function. Next method that we can use is horizontal line test. First, we have to determine the domain of these functions. Based from the domain concept, square root is a special case. So we take x plus 2 from the functions and greater equal to 0. So we got x greater equal -2. So the domain of this function is -2 until infinity. After that, we have to determine the range of these functions. Based from the range concept, square root also a special case. The way to determine the range of this function is by close the set functions. And we got 0. So the range will be 0 until infinity. Based from the domain, the infinity is positive, so the graph must go to the right, and based from the range, the infinity is positive, so the graph must go up. To determine the starting point, we can look at the domain and range. So x will be -2 and y will be 0. Then the starting point will be -2 and 0, so we label it on as this. After that, we have to determine the y-intercept of these functions by substitute 0 into x, and we got y equal to square root 2. So we label it on y-axis. As we all know that third function, the graph must be look like wiper shape, like this. Don't forget to label the graph with the functions given. Then I will draw the horizontal line. As we see, the horizontal line is intersect with the graph only one. Therefore, the graph is one-to-one functions. That's all from us. Thank you.